Did you know a government once printed a money so worthless that people used it as wallpaper? In 2008, Zimbabwe's President Robert Mugabe decided to solve his country's problems by printing more money. A lot more money. Soon they were printing $100 trillion bills that couldn't buy a single loaf of bread. Inflation hit 231 million% annually, turning shopping into an absurd nightmare. Citizens loaded wheelbarrows with cash just to buy groceries, like some twisted bank heist in reverse. The bills became so worthless that people literally wallpapered their homes with them. It was cheaper than buying actual wallpaper. At the peak of this monetary madness, $1 was worth 2 trillion Zimbabwean dollars. Street vendors stopped accepting their own currency entirely. Instead, they traded in foreign cigarettes and phone airtime. The government had pulled off the ultimate con, making their entire currency disappear, not through theft, but through sheer mathematical impossibility.